Now I'm going to show you how to introduce subtraction to the children. Here also you introduce it in two levels, one without change and one with change. So I've taken the sum 5241 minus 2110. Place the first quantity on the mat or chowki, and the concept of subtraction is very simple actually. It is the splitting up of a large quantity into small unequal quantities. Okay, I'll explain that a little with material right now. So what we have is 5241. From this quantity, we have to take away 2110. Right? How many ones should we take? None. So we are not bringing down the 1. We have to bring down 110. We have to bring down 100. And we have to bring down 2 thousands. Look what happened to the quantity 5241. It got split into two unequal quantities. Because this quantity and this quantity are not equal. And this is exactly what subtraction is. Subtraction is the splitting up of a large quantity into small unequal quantities. And in subtraction, what we record is what we are left with. So we had 5241 and from that 2110 got split. Now we are left with 3131 and that is the answer. Just like the other operations, let the child have a lot of experience with the activities in subtraction without change before you slowly move to subtraction with change. So the sum that I have chosen for is 3131 minus 2451. We have 3131 here, and from this quantity we are supposed to split 2451. So let's take the ones. We are bringing down the 1. There are 3 tens, but I'm supposed to bring down 5 tens. What do? I don't have enough tens to bring down, but I have 100, and 100 is actually 10 tens. 10 tens make 100. So what I can do is I can change this 100 for 10 tens because they are both the same. So I've taken down 10 tens in place of this 100. We won't be needing this 100 anymore. So I'm keeping this inside the bowl and going to use this 10 tens instead. Now I have enough tens to bring down 5 tens, right? So 1, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens and 5 tens. 5 tens have been brought down. Let's arrange the other tens that I have so that there's no confusion. Next, I'm supposed to bring 4 hundreds down. But look, I don't even have 100 to take. But what do I have? I have 1000. And 1000 is made up of 10 hundreds. So I'm just going to take hundreds and take 10 of them in place of this 1000. Okay, I have 10 hundreds and this are the same quantitatively. Therefore, I'm going to keep back this 1000 card back in the bowl and I'm going to use this. Now I have enough hundreds to bring down 400. Right? 2, 3, 4. I brought down 4 hundreds. Let's just arrange the other hundreds to avoid confusion. I have now 2 thousands and I'm supposed to bring down the 2 thousands. So I brought both the thousands down. I have 2451 here. I used to have 3131 here, but from that I've taken away this quantity. So 3131 got split into two quantities which are not equal, and I'm left with 680. Because look, there are no ones. How many tens? 8 tens. How many hundreds? 6 hundreds. Do I have any thousands? No. So the answer is 680.